Hey, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Kopeka here with an Esta mystery for you. Today's Esta mystery is called Flying Cars. If you've never done an Esta mystery before, I will go over the directions on the next screen. Here we go. The question for this Esta mystery is, how many cars are there in all? I'm going to show you some clues, and as those clues appear, use the information to narrow the possibilities to a smaller set. After each clue, use estimation again to determine which of the remaining answers is the most reasonable. Write down your first estimate. After I share a clue, you'll see if your estimate still works based upon the information in that clue. If your estimate is no longer possible, write down a new estimate and be prepared to explain why you chose it. If you are working on your own, you can pause this video after I give each clue so you have time to go back and check your answer. If you are working through this video with your teacher, they will pause it after each clue is given so you have some time to write down an estimate or a new estimate, and they will probably ask you to share your estimate with the rest of your classmates. So here we go. Take a look at the picture and make an estimate of how many cars there are in all. And once you have your estimate, here come the clues. Clue number 1, the answer is an even number that is less than 61. So now it would be a good time to pause the video, reread the clue, check your estimate. If it works, keep it. If it doesn't work, re-estimate. Go ahead and pause. Okay, welcome back. You either kept your first estimate because it was still true after clue number 1, or you have re-estimated to a number that is even and less than 61. Here's clue 2. The answer is a multiple of 3. Go ahead and pause. Re-estimate if you need. Keep your estimate if you don't need to. Moving on to clue number 3. The answer is not a multiple of 5. Pause to check and see if your estimate works or if you need to re-estimate. Okay, here's clue number 4. Cross out any number with a digit that matches the number of cars that are flying above the cup. So pause to reread that clue and re-estimate if you need to. And finally, clue number 5. Cross out any numbers that include the digit represented by the die. So any numbers that include the digit represented by the die, cross those out. So take a pause, see if you need to make a re-estimate based upon clue number 5. So after seeing all the clues, you have narrowed the possibilities to a small set of numbers that could work. Teachers, you might want to have your kids share their final estimates here. And before we reveal the answer, what is your final estimate? Write it down, share it, and maybe explain why you chose that one before I reveal the final answer. So, what's your final estimate? And does it match the answer of 48 cars? If so, congratulations on a successful Esta mystery. There's more where that came from. Have a great day.